मगर अक्सर थोड़ा मोबाइल के चक्कर में
चलिए, so let me continue क्योंकि हम लोग थोड़ा सा उसमें फोर्स में फ्लो में थे. So and I want to hear you guys say yes or no on this. Okay, this is very important, and I'll explain to you later on why. So do we agree, do you agree that I am the one who is creating the belief?
I may define I. I is the self, biggest, or the smallest. You know what I mean.
The creating of the belief is not by the big self. So it is, leave him out of the picture.
Yeah.
It is just your small self. I, me, I, you, the person that you call yourself as Prabhat.
Yeah. So,
That I. Can we agree that I am the one who is creating this belief? And don't go into deep why and how,
yes.
all those.
Mm.
I
I
am
think-
the one who is creating it.
I am the one who's making that decision.
Because if I did not create it, it will not be my belief.
Consciously or subconsciously, I am the one.
I am the one.
Consciously or subconsciously, I am the one.
Yeah, intellectually हम ही ने बनाया ना उसको.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Feel like saying yes.
yes.
Second question, do my beliefs create my life?
Of course. Create.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah.
Create my life. Yes.
Yes. Belief,
Yeah, we
habit,
also, yes.
destiny.
Third question, if I compare myself after the belief and before the belief, it looks as if I have changed, but have I? Can I live without this kurta and still be me? Because this kurta is like a belief I'm wearing. So if I leave this kurta, if I remove it, will I still remain me?
एक personality में तो change आ जाएगा. That personality will change.
Personality will change because the belief has gone away.
Yeah.
But will I remain me or not?
In the first instance, we talked that I is normal. We are not talking of.
Self.
So the
Divinity.
question would be, the I, who is this I, before the belief or after the belief? Don't you think it will be before the belief? I should be the one before the belief because I am creating the belief, I am wearing it, and I can remove it. So if I can do all of these things, then I must be before the belief, logically. Although I appear as if I am after the belief because I'm wearing this kurta. So from your perspective, you are seeing me as a person with a kurta. But from my perspective, I can remove the kurta and still be me. So from my perspective, because I am the one who is creating the belief, and I am the one who can get rid of the belief, that means I am the one without the belief, before the belief.
Before the belief was created by you.
I want you to think and say yes or no.
So, Harsh, who is I here? That's where the confusion is. Is your intellectual mind which is doing the job of evaluating every event?
Okay, let me give you an example of what it will clarify to you who is I in this case.
Yeah.
Okay, there is a way in which we can confirm whether we have a belief or not. So we were talking about making mistakes is wrong or making mistakes is bad.
Right.
Now, can you say, and you have to say it loudly to yourself, but loudly, making mistakes is bad. And when you say it, ask yourself, does it sound true or false to you? It is your own exercise. It is for you. Now what you do when you say this, making mistakes is bad, you move your head a little down like this. And then you say making mistakes is bad. And keep your eyes closed and ask yourself another question. Does it sound true to me? To me, not the principle of it, not anything else. To me, does it sound true or does it sound false?
False.
Now say the same sentence in a negative. Making mistakes is not bad. And ask yourself whether this sounds true or false.
True.
So if it sounds true that making mistakes is bad, that despite our belief, generally, knowledge, not a belief, but general knowledge that making mistakes is not bad, we still believe that making mistakes is bad. And the way to find it, again, this is an exercise, you can continue doing it at home when you have time, but you have to say it loudly. It will not give you a right answer if you don't say it loudly. You have to say it loudly, and then you have to ask yourself, does it sound true? And then you say the same belief in a negative sentence, the opposite of it, and ask yourself, does that sound true? This is important in identifying the belief that I have, not the beliefs that books have, not the beliefs that Shastra has, not the belief government or the people have or philosophy have. No, it is true. It is a way to do it, but the belief I have, because spirituality is not for discussion. It's not a subject of discussion. It is a subject of experience. It is for me. And like I said before, we have learned so many things. Lying is bad, this is wrong, this is not right. But we do it because our belief is different. So we are not worried about what we have learned. We are worried about what we believe. Because my journey in spirituality, or even in this life, is based on my beliefs, not what is written in a book. My karma is based on my actions, not the theory that has been told to me about the law of karma. My birth and my next birth is going to depend on my own belief system and the eliminated beliefs. My Chitta Shuddhi is my own. It is nobody else's. It is not a book. It is not Bhagavad Gita which is going to remove my beliefs. I have to do it. My life is happy or unhappy is on me.
Yeah, that is very true.
Everything is true what I'm saying actually.
Yeah.
You see, the difference in having an intellectual understanding and a spiritual knowledge is this. Understanding, I can read a book and understand it. We are all very intelligent people. We can understand whatever is told to us or we read. We can understand even more than what is written. We can understand what's written in between the lines. We are very, very intelligent people. We can do that. But then even after understanding, and even if I said that out of the 7.6 billion people on earth today, and maybe trillions of people who have come and gone by now, people who have died, why is it only 5, 10, 15 people who could actually get to that spiritual enlightenment? Because we very conveniently started thinking, because I have understood the book, I am very jnani. I will be a jnani only and only
If I internalize it.
when it becomes my own anubhav.
And maybe Vidwan.
I may be Vidwan. Very good. So the steps are simple. Just because we have not been taught those steps doesn't make them, not available. We have them available. And these are very simple ways to do it. And trust me, you try to say something like, I'm saying, judging your own belief, you try to say it with a straight face, silently, then generally your answer will be what you have understood. And when you do it a little bit face down and say it loudly, your answer will be really coming back from your subconscious. Why? Because the prana, the energy is, you are connecting with the subconscious yet only in this manner. But this is a mechanism, so why not use it? We can question it, we can say, okay, no, why this, why that? No, but this is the way it works. When we walk, we put one step in front of other, then we walk. You can't say that you will walk without putting the foot in front of other. You can't say that you will walk in some other different manner. No, this is the way we walk. This is the way it happens. This identification itself is very important for my personal growth. Think about it. There are so many beliefs which stop us from progressing in our life. Making mistakes was one of them. I am not good enough is another one. There are 15, 16 such beliefs.
साथ साथ पॉजिटिव बिलीफ्स भी तो बहुत होते हैं. True or false, but they
I think also I can do it, right? If you have that attitude, then eventually you will do it.
Yes, you're right.
Yeah.
So there is a tamasic belief, there is a rajasic belief, and then there is a sattvic belief.
Yeah.
But then there comes a time, you actually reminded me of a question somebody asked some time ago, few years. Do you believe in God? You know the answer? The question is wrong.
Yeah, it is not to be believed, it is need to be understood.
Not understood. It is not believed, not understood. It is much more than that. Only then you can say that there is God or not God. But the question that you believe in God itself is wrong. Today we can understand it. That this is a wrong question. Because God is not a belief. If it is a belief, that means that you can get rid of this belief. It is like a kurta then. A banyan, a vest, and then kurta, and then a sweater, and a jacket. Maybe a muffler, maybe a hat, maybe glasses. All of these are beliefs. So, do you believe in God? If it becomes only a belief, it is a wrong thing. It is not a right thing.
Is it faith? Faith.
Faith also you have choice. You don't have faith, or you have faith.
Right. Faith is
The
also.
thing
Faith is different.
You know, the thing is that when you know that there is God, you will be silent. You will not have an answer. But when somebody says that, do you believe in God? Yes, on a different level of understanding, we can say yes or no. You know, we can do that. But on a deeper understanding, this question is wrong because it talks about belief. And if I have a belief, that means it is wrong. Belief itself is wrong. No matter whether it's even if it is a sattvic belief, it is wrong. It has to be given up. Whether I'm wearing a dirty cloth or a very well laundered, new, dry cleaned cloth, I cannot be defined by the cloth. I remain even if I remove the cloth. Each and every belief we eliminate removes a whole bunch of impressions, whole bunch, not just one or two, whole bunch. You remove 4 or 5 beliefs, you suddenly see you are a totally different person. Totally different person. I'll tell you a story. A friend of mine came a few years ago. He wanted to start a business. So he came and he said that I want to start it, but I'm afraid. You know, hesitation, fear. But hesitation and fear is just a belief, right? It has got nothing to do with reality. So anyway, we had something similar discussion, and we actually went in a little bit more exercise of eliminating those beliefs. And when we did that, after that, he went away and he said that next day he actually registered and we started it. Because the only thing that was stopping him and only thing that is stopping us
is the fear of failing.
But in general statement, I would say is the beliefs we have, I have. The beliefs that I have are the ones which will stop me or which will push me.
तो पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव की बात आ गई ना फिर यहाँ पे हर्ष.
पॉजिटिव तो फिर सात्विक हो गई ना, बट इवेंचुअली सात्विक हैज टू गो आल्सो. For spiritual enlightenment or experiences, and Bhagavan Krishna says in Gita very clearly that go beyond the 3 gunas. Yeah. That means all the beliefs have to go. Also he explains how tamasic is like the child in the womb, it will take 9 months. The rajasic is like the dust on the mirror, It will take some effort. And sattvic is like a smoke around fire with a little whiff of blowing of air. The smoke can go away and you can see the fire. But eventually you have to go beyond all of this.
All three, yeah.
So
Gunatit.
Gunatit.
Yep.
So the beliefs that we are talking about, they fall somewhere between tamas and rajas. So we are not talking, the process by which you will eliminate the belief will fall under sattva. Right? The knowledge side of it. The understanding of this concept that yes, it looks true, that understand, the process of understanding is sattvic. Because you see, I mean, I can keep saying I need to eliminate all my tamasic impressions.
But how do you do that, right?
How do you do it?
Yep.
How do I even know where they are? How do I know how they are projecting themselves?
Harshji, just
That's
last
where-
two
Sorry?
sentences,
हाँ जी?
last two sentences थोड़ा वो miss हुए, एकदम off हुआ था. Just repeat.
हाँ, वो मैं कह रहा था कि although we keep hearing, and our Shastra says very clearly that you must eliminate your tamasic and rajasic impressions. That's the start of your journey. How do I know where are these impressions and how do I remove them? I may continue thinking I have a very sattvic impression, but it may actually be a tamasic one. And I can give you examples, but I think you can always guess these things. In certain religions, there are certain tamasic things, but they believe they are sattvic.
Because it's said by God.
Hmm?
They feel that it is told by God, so it has to be the sattvic.
Yeah. So let's not go into that side, but yes. So how do I know? Because like I said, important thing is not what is written in the book only. Important thing is how I can bring that to me, because it is my journey.
Yeah. Create and navigate my own life journey.
I am no more interested in having an understanding of 50 Vedas and 60 books and this commentary and that commentary. Our Shastras have a very beautiful way of saying things. They say, once you know this, then you do not need to know anything else. What good is a book of Veda for a person who has experienced it?
Yeah.
For a person who is in equanimity, who has experienced it, for that person, what good is a full book full of library? There's nothing there that needs to know.
Nothing to add further.
Our emotions, especially our emotions which bother us, they are our indicators of underlying beliefs. वो आइंस्टाइन बोलता था ना कि God doesn't play dice with the creation. Our emotions are there not because a chance. They are there because each and every emotion tells us that there is an underlying belief that needs to be addressed. And only after we address all those underlying beliefs one by one, we start feeling that there is only one emotion that comes up, and that is the emotion of love. Only one emotion remains eventually. The universal love, the unconditional love. That's the only emotion remains. you know, very interestingly, and all that we need to know the totality and all that we need to measure ourselves and make us go forward, it's all within us. Everything is there.
वो लेकिन veil of ignorance पड़ी हुई है ना, तो how do we get to that?
Because
That
we have
whatever
not,
we have inside.
yeah, because we have not been trained to look in that direction. We have been trained to look into a different direction.
Yeah.
So, I mean, nobody to blame for that. I mean, this is the way it is. So this is the way it
The way
is.
the society runs and gives us the impressions. I mean,
Hmm.
some of them are acquired by us in the journey of life. Some of them are inculcated in us by our surroundings, parents, relatives, friends, and the system of judgment that we have around us, right?
That's
हमारे
why.
यहाँ 100-point discipline जो होते थे भाई.
That's why if you say that in the childhood itself, we must inculcate we must have sattvic beliefs within us.
Yep.
So that the tamasic and rajasic beliefs do
Depress
not have a space to come in.
Get removed.
मुझे ध्यान है कि जब स्कूल की असेंबली होती थी, याद है गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज में, तो नहीं these things have a very long lasting effect. So उसके अंदर 1 मिनट होता था मौन का, और उस मौन से पहले the principal used to read a message. एक मैसेज होता था, पॉजिटिव मैसेज होता था, एंड देन 1 मिनट का मौन होता था टू उसके ऊपर मनन करने के लिए, और रोज ये चलता था. तो वो ऐसी चीजें हैं जो आदमी कभी नहीं भूलता.
कभी नहीं. मैं अब शायद मकरंद तुम्हें याद हो, स्कूल की बात है, GIC की बात कर रहा हूँ, बचपन की. वो एक हम लोग सुबह वो एक प्रेयर टाइप की चीज बोलते थे.
सुबह पहले प्रेयर होती थी ना.
आपको याद होगा, शायद मैं बताता हूँ आपको.
प्रॉपर प्रेयर
आपको बताता हूँ.
खड़े होके, और मुझे एक अभी भी याद है, जस्ट आई विल रिपीट.
हाँ,
अभी एकदम मुझे उसमें वो विवेकानंद, मतलब बड़े उनका बोलते थे, तो विवेकानंद जी का हमें बड़ा पसंद आता था.
हाँ,
उसमें वो कहते थे, उठो वीर बनो, शक्तिशाली बनो.
देखो कमाल की बात है, मैं यही वाली बोलने वाला था.
और ये जानो कि तुम ही अपने भाग्य विधाता हो.
समस्त शक्ति एवं सहायता जो तुम चाहते हो
तुम्हारे अपने ही अंदर है.
अतः स्वयं अपने भविष्य का निर्माण करो.
हाँ, बहुत ही बढ़िया था. तो ये वही चीज है, वो घुस जाती है, और वो हमेशा आपको पता नहीं कब आपको प्रेरित करती है.
सो मतलब दिस इज मकरंद और मैं, क्योंकि हम लोग स्कूल में भी साथ पढ़े थे, तो मैं ये एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ आपको कि वो एक प्रेयर, एंड मकरंद ने वही प्रेयर बताई है जो मैं बोलने वाला था कि देखो ये वाली प्रेयर थी. मतलब इट हैज गॉन इनटू आवर हार्ट. So anyway, जब शांति ज्यादा होती है तो मुझे लगता है कि दो में से एक चीज है, या तो कोई हमने बात इतनी डीप की है कि सब सोचने लगे हैं, और या कुछ ऐसी बात कर दी है जो किसी को समझ ही नहीं आई.
I think the challenge is how do we
करिए जो सोचने पे मजबूर
get rid of these negative feelings, negative impressions that you have created, which is becoming the veil of ignorance.
No, actually that was a joke, but silence actually means that there is something that you are thinking. So
yeah.
हर्ष जी
हाँ जी,
इसी अंतर ध्यान करने के लिए, है ना, नाउ वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड वो तामसिक और राजसिक जो बिलीव्स हैं वो कौन कौन से हैं. कुछ भी अपने बिहेवियर को स्टडी करने के लिए यू हैव टू इवेल्युएट कि वो कौन सा तामसिक या सात्विक, ओके यू कैन से समथिंग व्हिच वी वांट टू हैव, पर राजसिक एंड तामसिक में कौन कौन से ऐसे बिलीव्स हैं जिनको हमें अपने ऊपर स्टडी करना चाहिए कि whether we are doing this or not.
ठीक.
So I need to have those few, whatever, probably you must have done that study. So
हाँ, तो
Just few. So
नेक्स्ट हमारा सेशन में हम इसको थोड़ा सा और करेंगे, रिवाइज करेंगे. बेसिकली व्हाट हैपेंस इज कि वी टच ऑन दीज थिंग्स बट देन वी हैव टू कम बैक टू देम.
yeah.
So
Yeah.
although we touched on Rajasic, Tamasic, Sattvic, etc., but we will now come back to it because now it will make a little bit more clarity, right? So
Yeah.
so definitely next उसमें हम लोग आते हैं. अभी तो क्योंकि 5-10 मिनट ही बचे हैं ना, बीच में शुरू करेंगे तो खत्म हो जाएगा ये.
नहीं, process of
agree.
elimination is important. That's not how we need to internalize the process of elimination on an instance, because every time thoughts are coming uninterrupted to your mind, right? You are constantly bombarded with thoughts, whether you like it or not, right? And there are different sources: friends, family, your colleagues, your boss, or even when you get up in the morning, some thoughts come, right? Because they are all natural. But how do you interact with those, your thoughts, is in your control. And that's what you need to work on. Because sometimes you can be clobbered by them, because if they're overwhelming, right? I'll just give you an example. For the last 2 weeks, I've been bombarded with so many requests. And at times it becomes very challenging to handle them, especially now at this age, even though more experience is there. So I have a natural tendency to react to the stimuli that is thrown at us, right? But then there are some other aspect which I have to go and consult. And we are lucky because I have another friend from Roorkee, Love Kher, and we are in the same project. तो उसको अगर रात को 10 बजे भी कॉल करना है रुड़की स्टाइल में तो वो भी हो जाता है. तो उसने हमें कॉल करना है 9 बजे तो वो भी हो जाता है. तो वी आर वेरी ब्लेस्ड इन दैट वे, राइट? और हमारा नेबर है. If I throw a stone with a high speed, वो उसके घर पे गिरेगा. It is so good. I mean, we go for walk together.
Very nice, very nice.
So, but what I'm saying is this constant bombardment of thoughts are going to be coming to you in a natural way, and over a time period of your own learning and processing of those thoughts, you will become near perfect. जब perfect होगा then you are enlightened. पर अभी तो हुए नहीं है. But I think over the time period, you will become to that. How far you will reach to that path, I don't know. But at least you are reaching there.
प्रभात, आपने बहुत बढ़िया बात की और मैं आपको थोड़ा सा उसमें एक रिमाइंडर देना चाहता हूँ.
हाँ, बताओ.
एक बिलीफ है कि आई विल बी परफेक्ट.
हाँ,
इट्स ए बिलीफ. द वन बिफोर दिस बिलीफ इज ऑलरेडी परफेक्ट. Just a reminder.
Yeah.
Just see how our mind works, right? So these are the small things, small pointers that we need to sort of get them inside.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
You agree, isn't it?
Yeah.
The one who believes that I will be perfect, before this belief was already perfect.
नहीं तो वही तो विरोधाभास है ना, because we know, knowledge wise we know what we want to become. We already are, right? Tattvamasi, Aham Brahmasi, all this knowledge is there. But because of this veil of ignorance, which you have elaborated a little bit today on that, right? Belief system, conditioning, and all those kind of things, is preventing us to realize the bliss, the full benefit of enlightenment. Once you are enlightened, there is nothing will bother you. But this knowledge is already here, right? But you have not experienced it. जैसे अगर किसी आदमी ने कभी रसगुल्ला नहीं खाया है, then he or she has not experienced it. Whether it is sweet or sour or salty, that person cannot tell, right?
True, very true.
हम लोग जो है, there is an internal thrust है to become enlightened, right? That knowledge is there. सारी knowledge तो बहुत मिल गई है यार. But वो internalization जो है ना, वो that is always a constant challenge. मैं अपनी बात कर रहा हूँ, in a daily basis. That means, how do I modify my interaction with my wife, with my children, with my close friends like love, right? हालांकि वो और हम एक ही स्कूल में जाते हैं, तो स्वामी दयानंद में, आनंद में, तो दोनों की नॉलेज बराबर है, बट वी टॉक अमंग आवरसेल्व्स. पर दोनों का जो प्रोसेस ऑफ एलिमिनेशन है, टू सम एक्सटेंट इज सेम. कॉमन पास्ट टाइम, एंड नाउ वी नो ईच अदर फॉर द लास्ट 50 years almost.
ये 1-2 मिनट में अपने आप बंद होने वाला है, तो मैं उससे बंद हो जाए. नमस्कार तो करता हूं आप सबको.
हर्ष जी,
हाँ जी,
हाँ मैं ये बोल रहा था कि इस पे आपको मे बी few sessions you have to have. It will not be one. It may require more. I am thinking a lot of thinking has to be done.
Especially process of elimination of negative thoughts.
Yeah.
You see,
प्रभात जी की नॉलेज तो थोड़ा काफी है, हम लोग थोड़ा दूसरी नॉलेज प्लेटफॉर्म पर हैं, इसीलिए I am feeling as if really it needs lot of introspection.
हाँ, मैं आपको बताऊं, we have covered a lot of knowledge, lot of it, trust me. But now as we bring it closer to us, we will have to revisit those knowledges.
Yes.
And that's why it becomes a vast subject. We have covered a lot of stuff actually, to tell you honestly. वो ये है कि जैसे जैसे वो नजदीक हमारे आता जाएगा, we will have to revisit that and say, oh, this
Correct.
is what it meant.
अभ्यासा है ना, अभ्यासा. We have to keep going, keep doing it.
This is a very normal question, no? That do you believe God? A very normal question is being asked.
Right.
Many people. And I mean, somewhere, yes, I believe, I say, but I really believe or not, I do not know. So I have to find out. I have to understand.
There I am.
See, मूर्ति के आगे जाकर के हाथ जोड़ लेना, नमस्कार कर लेना, रोज हरे राम हरे कृष्ण बोल देना. It's not something. I mean, there is something much beyond that.
नहीं, ऐसा है ना राम विनोद, ये these are all prerequisites. जैसे कैलकुलस जानने से पहले अलजेब्रा ट्रिग्नोमेट्री की जरूरत है ना. Before we hit on the calculus, वो वैसे ही यहाँ पे भी है. कर्म योगा, भक्ति योगा, ज्ञान योगा, ये सब जरूरी है. But in itself, they are not sufficient. They're important to reach that ultimate goal of enlightenment, but they are not sufficient. So ultimately, जो है ये, I mean, even this knowledge is all there, right? The self-knowledge, self-non-recognition of who we are is already there. I mean, we know this, right? Because of this veil of ignorance, we are not able to get it. जैसे example देना, when the cloud is there, the sun is not coming out, right? But when the cloud is removed, sun automatically comes. Yeah. Nobody instructs sun to come out. तो वही यहाँ पर हम लोग cloud में ही फंसे हुए हैं. अब देखो, with the help of Harsha, we will be able to get rid of some of the clouds.
Come out of it.
You should understand what is cloud and then remove it. Yeah. I think Harshji. Let's see next.
Okay.
Good.
Goodbye, everybody.
Goodbye.
Okay, Nasti. Namaskar.
Yep. Bye.
Bye.
Have a nice time.
Bye. 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 Thank you, Harsh. Okay. Bye.